This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 380WDR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a Harvest interior, sleeps 8, TV, refrigerator, leveling jacks, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, smoke detector, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 380WDR is 13,009 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.